Hi everyone, just wanted to make a quick video about a new browser I've been using recently for the last couple of months called Brave. Like you, you're probably using Chrome at the moment, which is what I used before. I've used Firefox as well. But I transitioned to Brave for a few reasons, which I'll go through on their homepage. Basically, it's much faster because it's got all these built-in ad blockers in it. Where is it? Let's see. Brave loads major news sites up to 6 times faster than Chrome, Safari, and Firefox on mobile and desktop. That's because it's blocking all these harmful ads and the trackers. Okay. Just for example, I'm going to bring you to this website in a minute. But if we click on this Brave icon here, it will show you what it's blocking for each site. You can turn it off if you want, or you can turn it back on. Every website you go to will be able to see what's been blocked and what's not. Let's have another one. You see, so by blocking all these horrible trackers, which they're only there to serve a purpose for the website owner, not yourself, unless you like being bombarded with retargeting campaigns whenever you go on Facebook and whatnot. So yeah, it's in our interest to use this browser because, as I say, it's making our experience much better. So that's one good feature. It blocks all these ads and trackers, but that also obviously makes it quicker. You also have, if you Tor built in. Like if we go here, if you're familiar with what Tor is, you've got that built in. You can create a new private window with Tor here. Private window with Tor. Brave never remembers what you do in a private window. With Tor, your browsing is also hidden from your ISP or employer, and your IP address is hidden from the sites you visit. So yeah, all searches are done through DuckDuckGo with it. So yeah, great little feature. What else has it got? Yeah, this is the best bit. You can earn rewards whilst browsing. Okay, there's 2 ways you can earn rewards. That's why I was just scrolling up there to the top to just see if I've missed something. Every now and again they'll show you an ad. You'll probably see it hopefully in this video, but it's just like a little ad which pops up in the top right hand corner, and you can change how many ads you see per hour. You can set it to 1 or you can set it to 5. Okay, and then basically throughout the month, you'll earn BAT, which is basic attention token. Now, basic attention token is well, I'll read the description from CoinMarketCap. Led by Brendan Eich, creator of JavaScript and co-founder of Mozilla. This is to say, this is the guy who created the Brave browser. Also, Basic Attention Token project is an open source, decentralized ad exchange platform built on the Ethereum platform. The project seeks to address fraud and opaqueness in digital advertising. The token aims to correctly price user attention with the platform. Advertisers pay BAT to website publishers for the attention of users. The BAT ecosystem includes Brave, an open source, privacy-centered browser designed to block trackers and malware. It leverages blockchain technology to anonymously track user attention securely and rewards publishers accordingly. So, just through your usual browsing activities, you can earn basic attention token. Okay. Now, basic attention token is currently at 22 cents. Let's look at the chart for it. Let's have a look for the last 3 months. You can see that's a nice steady growth. So, they might not be worth much now, but in years to come it could be. That's just the point I'm trying to make. So that's one way you can earn your rewards. The other way of earning basic attention token is if you're a content creator Now I've just set up a little YouTube channel. I've just experimented with. I've only done a few videos so far, but I'll leave a link in this description. Well, you'll see it anyway from my channel from the video link there. When I upload this video, just click on my name and you can see all the other videos I've done. But yeah, when other Brave users come across my channel, they can click the Brave triangle up here and they can send a tip to me, and this can be a one-off tip or a monthly contribution tip. You got to have some funds in your wallet first, which I'll come on to in a second. But yeah, it's just a great way of rewarding content creators. And it's not just on YouTube, it can be on any website. Any website can install the code so that they can be tipped. So if if you've got an e-commerce website or a blog or anything like that, you can install this bit of code, okay, which will allow people to tip you. You might see on YouTube videos where people put their Bitcoin address in the description so they can send a tip. Well, this is just another way of being able to send a tip. So at the end of each month, these funds here get sent to your wallet, which is a wallet which is provided by Uphold. Okay, it's a good trusted wallet. You just basically, when you sign up with Brave, it'll give you all the instructions on how to connect all this up. But you basically, when you got funds in your wallet, if you come here, click on your Brave browser when you've got the balance, and then you can you've got a few options, but I'm basically just sending it to another crypto wallet I've got, and it'll convert it for you as well. So definitely worth having a play around with. So that's how you get your funds out. If I click on my activity, you can see 11 days ago, yeah, I got 12.05 BAT sent to my wallet. Probably not too much money. How much was that? 12 BAT. $2.68. I've not been doing that much browsing recently, but you can see the potential. If you're using your computer every day, you might as well be getting paid for doing the same thing you're doing anyway, and you're using a good browser. I mean, you know what Google's like these days. They're blocking certain content. We saw that Winston Churchill thing the other day, probably, where his face was taken off. There's just so much censorship going on, and if you want your privacy, and if you respect your privacy and your freedom, then Brave browser is the way to go. Well, look, there's an example of an advert there. Okay, so it's not too intrusive. You just close it off, bang, and you've earned you've earned a little bit of money. And as I say, these basic attention tokens, look, you see how it just went up then straight away. In years to come, these could be worth something huge. When Brave gets properly adopted, it's still young, Brave is. When it becomes, really popular, these tokens could be worth, $10, $20, $100, who knows. But I'm letting you know about this because it's always good and best to get in early. As I say, and your browsing experience is fast. It's up to you. Can decide as well whether to if you want the website to just run as it should do, you can just click shields down for this site, and next time you come on the site it will remember. You won't have to manually do it every time. You can just set it once, okay? Because every now and again you might come across a website which is not loading up properly. Happens probably 1 in 100 websites with me, maybe 1 or 2 in 100. And if that's the case, literally all you do is just toggle that switch over and the web page will load up properly. So and the other thing is, if you refer people to Brave, they will also pay you a little bit of a affiliate commission, hence the reason why I'm making this video. So you know, if you're going to give it a go, which I really suggest you do, I'd really appreciate it if you could use my link below. It's not a lot of money I get. I think it's about $7.50. But to be able to get the referrals, you need to sign up as a like a content creator, like I've done with my YouTube channel. But if you haven't got a YouTube channel, you can either create one, or you can just create a quick WordPress website or something like that, just so that you can you know, no one, even if no one ever came across that website or sent you a tip. You can probably hear my dogs barking in the background. It's raining heavily outside. If no one needs to send you a tip to earn these rewards, it's just you need to have the rewards thing set up. Okay, but yeah, once that's set up, you can hand out your affiliate link to other people, and once they sign up, or once they download the Brave browser and install it, you'll earn $7.50. I think it's $7.50, somewhere around that. So, and the other great thing about Brave, it has a crypto wallet built in. Let me show you. Bit like MetaMask, if you're familiar with MetaMask. You also Brave has its own version as well, so which is very similar to MetaMask. It looks pretty much identical, even the login screen. I think it even could be MetaMask, like some sort of partnership they've done. But if you're using MetaMask and Brave's wallets, there is an option in the settings somewhere where you can disable. I don't think it's on that screen. Somewhere in the settings, I think you might have to be logged in, but somewhere in the settings you can tell it to which wallet you want to be your default wallet, because you'll probably find that if you've, here we go, here look, Web3 provider for using dApps, decentralized apps. You can tell it here if you want it to use, if you want it to be set at MetaMask, or whether you want to use Brave's built-in crypto wallet. Okay, so just a little tip if you're getting frustrated about Brave opening up its own wallet when you actually want MetaMask wallet to open up. Okay, I think that's about it. Nothing else to really say. So check it out. You can get it for macOS, Windows, Linux. You can import all your passwords from Google and all your bookmarks. That's not a problem. And you can also sync it up with your mobile phone, just like you have done probably in the past with Google. So if you bookmark something on your phone, it then saves it on your Brave browser. Okay, but if you're going down that using it for passwords, I wouldn't do that. I recently stopped doing that, and I'm using a password manager instead. I might make a video about password managers in another video, but yeah, I think that will do for now. So yeah, I hope you give it a go. As I say, I appreciate it if you use my link, and I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment below. If you like the video, give it a good thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you can be notified next time I make a video. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.